Hi guys and girls, Ben Wakely here. Happy Sunday. Hope you've had a great weekend. We certainly have. We had a really busy day of open houses yesterday with 42 groups going through one in particular, so I'm sure we'll see some sold stickers up this week. Today I want to cover a topic that I get asked a lot. It's which time of year is the best time to market your home. Now there's a few different times a year that are good and a few times to avoid. So I'll start with the start of the year. You don't really want to be going to the market in January. A lot of people are still on school holidays, up the coast, overseas or wherever they are, and the kids still aren't back at school. So their focus isn't on buying a property in that time. We find after Australia Day, the market picks up. So right at the end of January, February, March, April, starts slowing down into Easter. Depends when Easter is, but Easter is in April this year. So around that school holidays, avoid that. There's a little bit of a run into tax time around June 30, so you will find that people are trying to secure a property in that time, so it isn't a bad time to sell. July and August, which are the colder months, probably try and avoid them. And then end of September, October, November, start of December is a really good time of year to sell as well. The closer you get to Christmas, it really starts slowing down. So you really want to avoid mid-December to late January if you can to launch in your property. There's also times of year that you want to avoid auctioning your property. They're long weekends. So you don't want to take your property to auction when there's a long weekend, because a lot of people, especially in Brisbane, seem to go to the coast or go away on a holiday or may take extended leave. So avoid that, because look, putting your property on at the wrong time of year can end up costing you thousands. So it's best to identify the time of year that you're looking to sell and try and get close to those times as possible and avoid the school holidays, and also really avoid that Christmas time of year as well, because that's when everything basically shuts down. Now next week I'm going to do a Facebook Live, because I'm getting lots of questions from my videos. I'm getting lots of questions and emails during the week and phone calls. So next week I'm going to do a Facebook Live. I'll be answering everyone's questions. I'll be giving out a prize as well, so I'll be giving something away during that Facebook Live. So I'll advertise it this week what time the Facebook Live will be, and if you can please have your questions ready, I'll happily answer them. I hope everyone has a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next Sunday.